are you? Do you know the difference between a motor?
Here's a wild Karen.
Yes, I'm very wild. Very wild. Your name?
Look at her! She's chasing me! You can't catch me!
Now your motorized bike.
Whoa, she tried to attack me.
Karen gets mad over riding bike on trails.
What's up?
Stop.
Doing what?
It's illegal to ride that here.
What? No, it's not.
Okay. I'm gonna call the police.
Alright.
You wait around.
Their number is 911.
Oh, thanks. You're so smart.
Oh, no problem.
Gets mad at me for doing a wheelie.
Are you gonna get out of here, stay out of here, or do I call the police again? And I saw you doing wheelies down the street.
What about him?
That's illegal.
Oh, that's illegal too? What about this wheelie?